Hi, today I'll show you how to change date on your Google Chromecast. First of all, let's head into the settings, then System, Date and Time. Now tap on Automatic Date and Time and turn it off. And back. And now we can change our date. So let's choose again 8 March. And that's all. As you can see, our date was changed. If you want to turn it back, you can always turn on automatic date and time. And that's actually all. As you can see, we again have 9 March. Thanks for watching. Press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.